Welcome to introduction of Lakh Datar family of 400 and counting goes on. Lakh Datar starts with passion of Mr. Mani Ram Goyal when he came to Karnal in 1984 and started the business of jute bags. We successfully provide jute bags every year to rice industry and started earning trust and reputation in the market. Mr. Nitish Goyal, son of Mr. Mani Ram Goyal, joined the legacy of Lakh Datar, winning and pride in 2006. Now we are touching the sky under the guidance of our leader Mr. Nitish Goyal, expanding business and rooting our Lakh Datar in the market very well with our trust and very good communication. Company continually invests in research and development to stay abreast of emerging trends and technological advancements in the packaging industry. This proactive approach enables Lakh Datar International Private Limited to offer cutting-edge solutions that cater to evolving market demands. The company's dedication to quality is evident in its rigorous quality control measures at every stage of production. From raw material procurement to the final packaging, every product undergoes meticulous inspection to ensure durability, reliability, and aesthetic appeal. Innovation is at the core of Lakh Datar International Private Limited ethos. We have all the raw material in-house that helps us to be useful for our clients. Our products are rare and we specially make exclusive products for our clients that always stand out in the market. With market demand of production, we have expanded our infrastructure from Unit 1, 20,000 square feet to Unit 2, 1 lakh square feet in 2020. Let's have a view to our power of machines, starting with printing machines, equipped with 2 high-efficiency printing machines capable of intricate designs and vibrant colors, ensuring superior quality printing outputs. And 2 solvent-based lamination machines for metallizing and multi-layered laminations for enhancing durability and finish. Advanced lamination technology featuring 2 extruder lamination and with woven sacks and flexible packaging product and 2 tuber machines with 2 pinch bottom, augmenting the company's capability to produce laminated packaging. Pouch making expertise with 5 machines dedicated to creating pinch bottom, center seal, penta seal and 3 side seal pouches alongside 3D flat bottom with various types of zippers and sliders capabilities. Cutting edge technology, including 2 cutting machines and 60 stitching machines, ensuring precision and efficiency in manufacturing. Coating and extrusion facilities, boasting a German coating line specifically designed for flexible and woven sacks as well as specialized bag tube and sliding unit machine, further expanding the company's product offerings. Multi-layer polyfilms plant for in-house production capabilities for flexible laminates, pouches for high-quality multi-layered polyfilm. We equipped the best of best technology from Germany for our quality of products. We always work closely with clients to understand their packaging style demand and we mold process in the way of solutions or optimizing production processes. Lakh Datar International Private Limited ensures seamless collaboration always and superior customer service. We promise you that every day will continue with our passion for service and quality of products in this business. Lakh Datar, our family, our pride.